Hello students, today we are going to solve third numerical of stopping sight distance. Question is given as a vehicle moving at 70 km per hour on an ascending gradient of a highway has come to stop position. To avoid collision with a stationary object, the value of ascending gradient is dash percent. Now we have to compute the value of ascending gradient, that is capital S. Take reaction time of the driver as 3 seconds and coefficient of longitudinal friction is 0.35. The ratio of lag distance and braking distance is 8/7. It means that in the question the design speed is given as 70 km per hour. The value of longitudinal friction, that is coefficient of longitudinal friction, will be equals to 0.35 and the value of reaction time is given as 3 seconds. And the ratio of lag distance to the braking distance is also given as 8/7. That is the ratio of lag distance and the braking distance. Now we have to compute the value of gradient, which will be equals to, now lag distance upon braking distance will be equals to, we know that the value of lag distance will be equals to 0.278 V into TR, and the value of braking distance will be equals to V square upon 254 F plus S. Now we have used the sign plus because of ascending gradient and it will be equals to 8/7. Now we will put all the values, that is 0.278. The value of V is given as 70 km per hour and the reaction time is given as 3 seconds, divided by 70 square upon 254. The value of F is given as 0.35 plus S is equals to 8/7. On solving this, we will get the value of S as 0.02765. Now we generally want the value of S in percentage, so it will be equals to 2.76 percentage. That will be the value of S. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.